Hello and welcome to my videos. Today I want to show you how to protect a PDF file with password. We don't need install any application. We just using the review apps. This is a built-in app on any Mac device, Mac OS device. So now let's say open this PDF with review built-in app. You can see this is reviews now, and move to the files, the export. So we need to export to a new PDF file with password protect. So let's say rename this to password and save it to desktop and click here to permission. So you need to tick to the required password to open document and type password. The other people need to know this password if they want to open this PDF file. So let's say you want allow them to printing, copy, text, or graphic, or make any modify on PDF. You can click to the tick box here. So now I need to input the owner password. This is the password for allow you edit PDF file. So let's say you need to input different passwords and apply. So let's save. So now we have another version for this PDF file. Let's say to open with review or any PDF reader application. Here the PDF need to input password. So let's say and done. Yes, that's all in this video. Thank you. Bye bye.